Hello guys, welcome back in my world, and today I'm gonna show you a Beyblade DIY and DIY driver again. So today we're going to make a DIY quest driver. See this? So how to make this is it's hard to get off. That's why how to make this is you need this bearing and this driver. You need to put them stick to like really hard together. That's why I can't get out. That's why if I pull it, it's hard, really hard. Next, you can stick this Lego piece. It's plain Lego piece. There's 4 dots, 4x4 plate, or any Lego pieces, circle, and glue them or stick them together in here. And finally, get a suction cup and put it in here. Stick it to the Lego piece. And finally, you're done with this. That's how you do it. And attach it to your Beyblade. And let's do some test battles with this. Okay guys, so we're doing a test battle with DIY Quest Driver. I'll tell you that time how to make it. So let's do this. I'm gonna use fake death sizer. His chip broke because I landed so high it broke. So yeah. This is a ram driver. Let's do this. Cheeto rip. Cheeto rip. There it goes. Pretty cool. Look at that go. Oh yeah. Okay. Actually guys, this DIY Quest Driver doesn't have enough balance, so it's quite a little bit not cool, but still cool. So this. Okay, see, his balance is like so bad, and yes, and yeah, well, that's a mislaunch, sorry. So yeah, it's a cool Quest Driver. Okay, the sizer wins. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to click the like button and the bell description below. So thank you. Bye.